Hello and welcome to another daily market update. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at the Coinbase chart. A lot of you are interested in cryptocurrencies and I know that a lot of you are interested in the Coinbase chart just because of that reason. And we haven't covered it for a while, so let's take a look at the chart. Let's go. Okay, we are on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. You can register here completely for free, and then you get access to all these tech stock updates, crypto updates, US stock updates. But today we take a look at the Coinbase chart. We select our stock section, tech stock section, and select Coinbase. And we want to take a look at the one-day chart first because it gives us a good overview. We can take a look at the bigger picture here. So you can see that on this chart, actually, the price could be currently in a pullback that we've labeled as wave 2. And at the moment, the idea is that, or just on the looking at the larger time frame, looking at the bigger picture, I mean, Coinbase has a lot of potential. The idea is that a larger degree wave 2 bottomed in October 2023 at around $70.76. That's also an invalidation point for the idea that we are in a direct move to the upside in a third wave. The main question is this third wave subdividing into another clear 1-2 setup? If yes, then to confirm that further, we'd like to see the price get below $114.52, but that this critical level, which is this previous swing low here, is broken. We only see that with a 33% probability. So you will see actually how we interpret the move up from that October 23 low. You will see that on the 4-hour chart in more detail. But here on the larger time frame, it could be that all of this move that happened between October 23 and March this year, that this is another larger degree wave 1. And then, however, to make that more likely, we would need a break below $114.52, but it would need to hold $70.76. So ideally it would stay in that corridor. But we only see that with a 33% probability, which means in turn that with a probability of 67%, we see a more direct move to the upside, which would make Coinbase quite an opportunity, to let's say get into. That means the $114.52 level is the key pivot that distinguishes between a more direct move up and a deeper pullback, but still a bullish scenario. Yeah. Now the critical level here on this long-term chart is $430. So we need to get above that level, which is pretty much the beginning of the chart, what we're labeling here as blue wave 1. Getting above that level could then eventually take us into that target area around the 161.8 extension to 178.6 extension. Long-term targets here, I mean, $700, $800 plus would be not unexpected on a chart like that. At the moment, we're trading around $167. I mentioned the key levels. Now let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. Here you can see that we're interpreting the move up from the October low last year as a bullish 1-2 setup. Why is this important? Because it allows for a bullish projection from here as long as we're holding that $114.52 level. Now at the moment the price is sort of hovering around that previous trading area. We've graded out now because there hasn't yet been any clear reversal, and it is at least to be considered that the market might test a lower fib here or the $114.52 level, but overall we still see it as lower degree wave 2 colored in orange, and maybe there is going to be another low. We're watching for that potential on the Bitcoin chart as well. To a degree they are correlating, not 100% of course, but that's obviously something to watch out for. There is no clear confirmation that we've bottomed here, and we might very well see a dip below that September low before wave C in blue of Y of 2 is actually complete. Ultimately we need a break above that that next swing high there around $323, and what needs to happen is to keep this wave count alive. We need to see the price hold above $114.52, because if it breaks below it, then our alternative scenario with a 33% probability comes into play, which would still be bullish but allows for the interpretation of a larger 1-2 setup. This, however, is not preferred because this entire rally looks more like a 3-wave move. So it's nothing that we would specifically focus on right now. Yeah. At the same time, it's important to understand that we haven't really clearly bottomed yet, and there is potential short term for lower prices. But as long as we're holding above $114.52, this scenario is still very much valid and can be followed and gives a positive outlook for the future. That's the update about Coinbase. Hope you liked the update? If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, please register on the website completely for free. You get access to all of these Elliott Wave updates, including Coinbase and a lot of cryptocurrencies, completely for free. And also let me know in the comments which other cryptocurrency or stock you want me to cover this week. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.